Actually, the selection process was of two stages. First was the written exam and second was the personal interview. In the first written exam, they analyzed our reasoning skills, English, banking knowledge, and when I cleared the first stage, I became more confident in the second stage. And the second stage was of the interview, which was held at the headquarters. And the second stage was a panel interview with 3 panel members. The interviewers analyzed more the banking knowledge, and other than that, they analyzed more about the communication things. And when I really believe that I want this is when I step into the branch for the interview, I saw a professional environment there, and the way which the officers interact with the customers motivated me to join and really want this.
The main aspect which has helped me a lot in my professional growth in this program at Municipal Academy of BFSI is the strategic intensive communication. In this current role at Tamilnad Mercantile Bank, I had learned that bank is not just about the number, it's about the people. So I have to communicate with the people with some clear and accessible language. For that, I have to learn proper language, and I have to be clear in in my communication, so that I can understand and let them have to be clear about some product knowledge, some complex product knowledge, and some complex regulatory requirements in some clear and accessible language.
My experience at Municipal Academy of BFSI, here I have gained the technical expertise like credit analysis, risk management, and the regulatory insights. Here they taught us about the adaptability. Here, for the long term, like I see banking as an evolving space. As I will go to the Tamilnad Mercantile Bank, I'm committing that I will build the lasting customers' trust. Digital innovation will help to the bank's growth. As my background is in commerce, so I have the digital little bit about the financial knowledge. But with this, I have gained here the technical knowledge also. So with this combination, it will make more suitable for the bank and for the growth of the bank.
Honestly, I was in a lot of confusions. Especially coming from a non-commerce background to banking was really a big concern for me. But after joining this 4 months program, my perceptions changed. These 4 months classroom training has not only helped me in improving myself, but it has changed, or it has impacted my personal and professional characters. And also it helped me in improving my communication skills. And now with confidence, I can say that even a non-commerce student can succeed in banking if they have the right guidance, training and mindset. So I'm very grateful for this program, and I'm very excited to join my job with confidence and clarity. Thank you.